Bismillah ar-Rahman Rahim. This is a October 2021 13 variant question number 8. Topic is first part is integration, second part is differentiation. So let's try to do it. And he said find the area covered in the region between two curves. So actually we're looking for this. How to get this one? So first of all, I need a point of intersections. This is x2, which is naturally 4. I am okay, and this is x1. You can see it here, x1, and that is 1 over 4 because x value we have to look only. Okay, so this is clear, and you know very well when this is called upper curve. This is called upper curve. If I integrate upper curve, I'll get a full area from curve till x-axis. And the other one, this one is called lower curve. If I integrate lower curve, I'll get this white region only. And if I subtract them, I get the shaded part only. So basically, when we integrate any curve or any line, we get area from that curve till x-axis, never below x-axis. Make sure. So now I'm going to complete. So first of all, I can say tell directly a part. So how to get a shaded area? So shaded area. So shaded area, I can find simple plan. What is the formula? X1, X2, Y, dx. But I'm writing here Y1. And then X1, X2, Y2, dx. You can say Y1 is upper curve and Y2 is a lower curve. All right. Okay. Now afterwards, what is the lower limit, upper limit? 1/4 and 4. So I'm writing 1 over 4 and 4. And upper curve equation is this, which I'm writing now here. 5 by 2 minus x to power half. Same story here, 1 over 4 till 4. And lower curve is x to power negative half. Okay, so let's try to do it. Okay, what is the basic criteria? 5 by 2 integration of any number, we write x beside of it. X beside of it. And what is this? Increase a power by 1 divided by same. And limits is a 1 over 4 to 4. Negative sign, the same story here, increase. When increase 1, I get a half and divide by same. And please don't directly put limits. I know. So some students, they depend a lot on calculator. I just show you. When you have a fraction in fraction, so in denominator, so it will flip up, becomes 2. So same story here also. So when I have 1 over 3 by 2, 2 will go up, becomes 2 by 3. This is algebra, very, very important before we start for putting the numbers, values. So I suggest you, this will help you in this university level and grade 12 level as well. So you have to simplify before you plug in the values. Now I'm going to plug in, I replace every x by 4, 4. And then let me check. When I plug in 4 here, this cancel out, 2, 5 is a 10. When I place 4 here, I got an 8, 8 to a 16 by 3. Upper limit done. Now I plug in 1 by 4 here. When I plug in 1 by 4, so 4 2s are 8, it becomes 5 by 8. And when I plug in here, I get a 1 by 8, so it becomes this little bit tough algebra, but I'm just showing you 1 over, because 4 to power 3 by 2 is 8. Let me repeat, 4 to power 3 by 2 is 8. So when I plug in this value here, so I get a 2 into 1 over 8 by 3. This is a little bit tough to deal, but inshallah I can do it. Or you can use your calculator here onwards. So when I plug in 4, 4 root is a 2, 2 2s are 4. When I plug in 1 over 4, it gives you, this become 1. So now if I simplify, this is a 10. I can use even calculator, negative 5 over 8 and plus 1 over 2 4s are 1 over 12. And is this turned to be 33 by 8? Repeat my words if I type all together. And negative 3. And when I do negative 3 from here, so answer turned to be 9 by 8 unit square. And this is a shaded area. or area between two curves which I was looking for. So I believe this part is very clear. 6 marks done. Let's talk about next 4 parts. 4 marks. 4 marks normal to curve. This curve. We talk about lower curve. So now I'm erasing this all and I'm going to show you a next level. Okay. So next level, what he's saying, normal to the lower curve we talk about, but which point? 1, 1. So 1, 1, and it intersect the y-axis at 0p. So first of all, I show you, let's say 1, 1 is, wait a minute, let's say 1, 1 is here. 1, 1 is here because 1, 1 is here. So if I show you this red color line, this is red color line is called tangent. Wait a minute. So I drag it slightly up. This is called tangent. And this is a line which go through same point and make a 90-degree. What that is called equation of normal. Hold on. Normal. And what is this angle? Always 90-degree. This is a normal. And let me write. And this is a tangent. Basically, this is a point of view. And at this point, the point is given here 1, comma 1. And he's asking this line normal cut the y-axis at special point. Read it. This normal at this point can intersect the y-axis at 0p. So this point is x0, yp. It means if I need a p value, I will plug in x0, but after having equation of normal. Now, what is a plan of action? I have equation what? X to power negative half. And basically, let me show you the planning. Planning is, first of all, I have a negative half. I will differentiate. Negative half comes down and power becomes negative 3 by 2. Simplify as maximum as we can do. Now, as I plug in this 1 inside, I get a negative half gradient of the tangent. And what is the gradient of the normal? Naturally, you flip it, see, sign goes, 2 go up, 1 goes down, and sign become positive. So it becomes only 2. So it means the tangent gradient is negative half, whereas normal gradient is positive 2. Now question is ready to complete. So this part of this part, I cut from here and I bring it down. Okay. So I bring it down here. Okay, so this is the part number B. So up till here clear. Now I'm going to do what? I'm going to find equation. So equation of the normal, equation of the normal. So very simple, y minus y1 equals to m normal times 2x minus x1. So the y1 is, you know, 0.1 comma 1. So y1 is 1, even x1 is 1, but normal is 2. So when I plug in here 2, so y minus 1 equal to 2x minus 2 and y equal to 2x and minus 1. I will put here x0 because he said that. When I plug in 0 here, so p coordinate becomes minus 1. So alhamdulillah rabbil alameen. It means when you go back, so this point where line cut is and p is value is negative 1. So alhamdulillah rabbil alameen. The question is completely over. And that's it.